Ron back here, and I think I have something nice to show you today. This is a tech bag. These tech bags are popular. A lot of companies make them. This was from StartRC. And we do have the holiday season coming up, you know, probably faster than most of us would like here. There's a lot of busy times, a lot of people in your shopping list you have to buy for. And, you know, if you have somebody that, you know, has a lot of tech gadgets, and you know, maybe they travel a lot, even just day trips and so on, you know, they need something to organize all this rather than just throw it in some kind of a bottom of some backpack or their jacket pockets or whatever. So I thought I would go over, you know, this product right here. You know, of course, I'm Ron Brown on Ron Brown's YouTube channel, where we do a lot of tech, drones, action cameras, pocket cameras, you know, phones and so on. So this fits right in with what we're doing on the channel. If you're not already a member, you know, subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I put up, you know, new tech related videos here. So let's get right into it here. So again, I mentioned, you know, it's StartRC branded here. It has the double zips on the top here. It has a carrying handle on the back here, and also it has a loop here with a carabiner. The carabiner came with it, you know, on a little loop there. There's another loop on another side if you want to add maybe a second carabiner. Let's say you had a product like I had the Insta360 X4 here in this nice case. Now, you know, this came with a carabiner to it, so I could use the, you know, the one over here to, you know, carry the Insta360 along with it too, not necessarily inside the case. So yeah, you know, it comes in very, very handy here. So let's show you a little bit, you know, all the stuff can, you know, fit in here. I got this one so easy now. Now, it's good that it comes off hard, right? Because you don't want it coming off. So let me show you some of the stuff. Yeah, I've got this thing packed pretty good with gadgets here. So, you know, you think, well, you need a little bag like this. How much can it hold? How much use can it be? Well, you're going to see here the amount of gear you can get in this little bag here. So I'm going to pull down my double zippers. And, you know, I'm going to do a top-down shot for you, hopefully later in this video here where you can see directly down here. But here's the way kind of an accordion style comes out here. Maybe you won't need the top down later here. This is probably just good enough. So it's accordion style here. It's many different compartments here. So you have you know, a big compartment here. You have another compartment here. You have a middle one here. This one here, and then another one. So I'm going to say you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different compartments, the 2 big ones on the end. And this middle one is zipped here, and it has like little, I don't know if you can see it, it has little holders where you can put like memory cards and things like that in there. So that one's kind of extra useful. And that one even has another small zipper pocket in there that maybe put some cables, or, you know, maybe you can tuck some Mad Money in there, you know, if you got any Mad Money in this current economy here. But let's kind of show you what we got going on here. What I got fit into the pocket. Look at this. I'm going to start off. I'm going to go right to the kind of the showstopper here. You can fit the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 in here, you know, or I guess any of the mobiles. I don't know if this one is smaller than the previous one or whatever, but I fit the Osmo Mobile in here, which is usually a tough fit in a lot of situations. So there you go. I'm going to rack these up on the table here. So this also has a little zipper compartment back here, and I don't have anything in it, but it, you know, again, you could put change, cables, you know, any small type items back here, connectors and so on. So here's another, maybe a non-tech item here. You can keep your Ray-Ban Wayfarers in there, you know, for protection too, when the sun's not actually out, and you don't want to, you know, get them crushed by putting them in the car seat or down someplace and keeping the lens from getting scratched in here, because it has a, you know, kind of soft-sided, you know, padding here. Okay, here's a middle pocket. I didn't necessarily have anything in that middle there, but you have a middle one. That's the one I showed you with the little slots here for SD cards or such items. Now here's a middle one. Here's another one, double side protection. Here's my iPhone 16 Pro Max, easily fit in there. You saw how easy it came out. Okay, so we got all that over here. Here's another little slot. That's where I took the iPhone out of. Here's the big slot on the other side here. Here is, well, first of all, I had the DJI wireless mic in here, and I'm going to show you more in that in a second. I'll put that to the side and roll back to it here. Here is the DJI Action 5 that fit in here. I'm trying to keep everything in camera here. And here is the battery hub for the DJI Action 5. Here is like one of the little, you know, what do you call it, magnetic clips for it. And I had this hooked in. It has I'll show you this way. It has these rubber elastic pads here, and I had this kind of hooked on that elastic to keep it in place and move around. So there's 3 of these little elastic loops here that you can kind of hook things onto. So let me get this out. So we had the wireless mic, and then back here we have another zipper compartment back here, and I had the Apple AirPods Pro 2. These things are a mouthful nowadays. And also I had a USB, the USB-C cable back here. And this one is a deeper pocket. The one on this side was not a very deep pocket, so to keep things to the top. So maybe that other pocket on the other side was for smaller type items that you didn't have to dig down for. But this one's that goes all the way to the bottom, so you can put kind of a beefer item in there, something that's easier to grab a hold of. Again, the other pocket would be stuff that's not easy to grab a hold of. So yeah, I mean, that's it. Like accordion style, you can see, how many useful compartments in there, and you see, look, I got all this stuff in front of me here. Let me see if I can get all this on the camera here. I got all this stuff here, including the big Osmo Mobile 6, the sunglasses, everything. All in this. I'm going backwards. All this went in this tech pouch here, and of course this was carabined on the outside. So yeah, I mean, and it's good without anything in it. I mean, it's lightweight as can be. It's got this kind of pleathered, look here. I don't believe it claims to be waterproof or whatever, but it seems like, light rain and stuff, splashes will kind of come right off this. We'll go to the description to see if there's anything about, being waterproof or whatever. So, yeah, I mean, it's simple. It's a simple item here, but, I know, again, it's a couple of these things around, but this one's going to be more affordable than most of them here. And I think, to me, it's a very quality product. If I received this for a gift around the holidays, I would be thrilled with a little, package, a little tech pouch like this to keep all my gear in it like that for like a day trip or so on, or even a trip around the world. Let's go to the next portion of this video where we talk about the pricing and availability for the StartRC tech pouch. Okay, I'm on Amazon.com here, and the pouch goes for $35.99 US with free delivery if you're an Amazon Prime member between November 30th and December 4th. And today is December 19th, so shipping's backed up a little bit. Like I wouldn't get it for almost 10 days out or whatever here, a little more than 10 days out. So they're not going to ship immediately, but it will ship in time for the holidays, for that special person on your shopping list or whatever. But order now, it could back up even further as demand increases for these type of gifty products here. Now, here's the product details. A carry bag for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, tech pouch accessory carry storage for Osmo Action 4 or 5, Adventure 3, Adventure Combo accessories. It's smart, organized, adaptable, high quality, convenient, and portable. Now, it doesn't say anything here about being, waterproof, water resistant. So I, jumped the gun when I said that earlier here. Now, I will put a Amazon, it calls it a photo pouch here, describes it as a photo pouch, if that, defies it any better for you. I will put an affiliate link down below, where you can click that link and, you're taken directly to where you can buy the product. Now, I am an Amazon affiliate seller. I do get a small commission off of everything that's purchased through the links I put in this video. So if you're thinking about getting the product, please help the channel out and use our affiliate link. It won't cost you anything more. And I said I will get a small, commission off each sale of this unit or anything. Once you click the link to get in there, anything else you purchase, you could purchase this, dog food, tube socks, and I will get the commission off everything. So a good way to help the channel out. And full disclosure here, I was sent this product for review by StartRC. I did not pay for this, my own money. Again, I was shipped this. I will be able to keep it. But they are not paying me to make this video. They have no editorial control over what I say or do in this video. They will not see this video ahead of time. So I just wanted to get that out, full disclosure. Okay, earlier I already talked about subscribing and ringing the bell. So give the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, got anything out of it. And, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video, folks.